ये वैसे फॉर अ चेंज मेरी मॉम की साड़ी है.
ये मेरे डैड की शर्ट है. I cry very easily.
Really?
Yeah, I just look at them like, oh, so cute. I was like 2-4. मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ. और Tisha was like this.
बाद में बताता हूँ फिर से. आपकी क्रश दुबई में
दुनिया की क्रश है अभी तो वो.
ओहो, समझ गई मैं.
समझ गया ना?
समझ गई.
Like a girl
Oh my
in a
God.
sari is like, I think, a weak spot for all the boys.
अब मैं Scorpio.
Damn.
So are you?
Yeah. I was so conscious about what should I wear, how should I look, because you know when you plan and go on a date, no, it's like pressure. Come, I'll drop you.
Okay.
Let's go.
चले.
चल.
अब मैं हाथ पकड़ लेती हूँ.
Yes.
कैसा डेट हो गई.
Hi, Janvi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
These are for you.
Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
After you.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Cool.
Hi Hamza.
Hello.
I am so excited to be on a date with a green flag guy.
So am I.
यार मुझे टेंशन हो रही है कहीं तुम्हारे सामने मैं रेड फ्लैग ना लग जाऊं.
नहीं मैं नहीं लगने दूंगा.
पक्का?
100%.
वो कैसे करोगे? What if I have a problematic trait? मेरे रेड फ्लैग्स कैसे कवर अप करोगे?
So there's a thing, you know. So मैं ज़्यादा dates पे तो गया नहीं हूँ, to be very honest. And I think officially plan करके तो कभी भी नहीं गया. Like, you know, let's go out on a date. Never happened in my life.
Seriously?
Yeah, which is why it's like a very new setup for me. You can see on my face.
You're blushing.
Yeah, because I've never been on a date. What I've learned, what experiences, is like, you know, it's very important to find the crazy of the person pehle than finding the things you would love them for. So yeah, I mean, actually, मैं red flags ही figure करने के लिए आया इस date पे.
We don't know who you are. Like, you know, you're the green flag guy, of course. But apart from that, who is Hamza? I want to hear your story.
Sure, you will. But before we move forward, let me just compliment you. First of all, your voice, like I was telling you before, that it's very husky and nice. And of course, the sari, you just know, like, you know, how to win over, at least when it comes to appearance. Like a girl
Oh my
in a
God.
sari is like, I think, a weak spot for all the boys. Desi girl.
हाँ, and I think I actually, okay, now this is something that most people don't know. ये वैसे for a change मेरी mom की साड़ी है.
ये मेरे डैड की शर्ट है. Wow, what a coincidence. That's sweet. That's cute.
So ये, I think it was connection.
Yes, I believe in maktub.
You do?
Things, yeah, destiny. Very firm believer.
Listen, I have to tell you this.
Ah.
When you remember you sent me the voice note when we were discussing and planning all of this.
Yes.
मैं उस पर फिसल गई थी.
Yeah? Why?
I think मैंने register नहीं किया what you said because he's got a hot voice.
But I know I do get this compliment a lot. But मुझे for the longest time I felt I have a horrible voice. But thank you. It really means a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I love how you've put like a full 90s look together.
Oh, I'm an old school boy. When it comes to love, when it comes to dressing, when it comes to thinking, everything is old school.
But what I've realized, like, also because we live in a patriarchal world, it's so hard for men to be in touch with their emotions. And I see so much of that in you. Which is, how did you reach that point where you got in touch with your emotions? Because what journey, like, you know, I've had a journey where I've reached a point abhi that I'm not as much in touch with my emotions. I'm relatively a more closed off person.
That's very surprising coming from a woman because women are usually, like, you know, very much in touch with their emotions.
Yeah, but I think it's
Yeah, cheers though.
experiences.
I always do this.
Oh, मैंने तो एक्सेप्ट किया. Sorry.
Oh, I didn't see. It's okay. So, cheers.
Cheers.
I feel, maybe I am in touch, but it's very difficult for me to emote them out. I always feel like, if I'm seeing you and I'm feeling, say, a lot of love, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd be feeling 9, but I'll be showing 3.
Okay.
I don't know why. I mean, I think it's something which men usually face because they're not very expressive growing up.
Yeah.
So
There's so much conditioning happening there, no?
yeah, so I mean, but I really try to break it now. I cry very easily.
Really?
Yeah, I'll tell you something. So one thing that I'm really scared of is, and I've become scared now because what I've seen around is like, usually like where it comes to women, they like tough and rough boys who are like,
नहीं
masculine.
यार.
Yeah,
हमें toxic masculinity नहीं चाहिए.
like toxic nahi, but like, who can
Like
like, but I
Yeah.
just feel that I'm not that. I mean, I would want to cry and I would want my girl to be there for me and vice versa.
How do you deal with anger then?
I do not get angry at all. I only get angry when someone very close to me is like hurt a lot by someone on the external side. I used to be a very angry kid growing up. Like my teachers used to tell my parents that, you need to work on his anger. I mean, he should be going to some anger management classes or something of that sort. I remember this one time in my parents teacher meeting, the teacher was like, telling something to my parents about my behavior. Or Pisha was like this.
बाद में बताता हूँ इसे.
Bhai, I have gotten into fights growing up on the roads. They used to hit people. They used to hit me back.
Oh my god.
It was that bad. What really changed me was working in the service industry. That taught me a lot of patience.
So what did you do in the service industry?
I was actually a cabin crew.
Oh wow.
And the hall of flights, how
Like you
crew is shaped.
cannot be angry with your.
I mean, imagine
Passengers.
a guy who back in 2012, some random guy abused him and I knew where that abuse was going and midway he got like a punch and his nose was bleeding. That was me, and from that I came to a random guy on the flight doing this to me. And I was like, yes sir, how may I help you? It went that way.
Oh my god. No, I
So-
did notice the way you thanked the server when he put the coffee for us. I did notice that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even
It was a
realize.
very nice. No, there was a very
I mean,
nice
but then
tone to it.
the empathy comes from there.
But by the way, मुझे याद आया actually when you were saying that you used to beat people. When I was in school, I'm like ये मुझसे पिटेगा किसी दिन.
Yeah.
मेरा बस वो एक instantly था. He had this air around him and he used to think सारी लड़कियां मुझसे मरती हैं. I'm like अबे तू कौन सा हुरका परा है?
For some reason, I love women who are like, कि मैं इसको फोड़ दूंगी, मैं उसको देख लूंगी. I just look at them like, oh, so cute. I don't want, I'm like, तू फोड़, मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ.
देखो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट तो होता है सबका.
बिल्कुल.
कैसे हुआ कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट? हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ था कोई?
I would credit this entire IP of the Deserve series to that heartbreak of mine. Because, I mean, I really loved this girl and couldn't work out. And there was so much inside of me that I couldn't really, like, put it out there because it was so short-lived. I was like, there's so many things I did for her, so many things I could have done for her, which I could not. And I was like, where do I put it? So I was like, let's make content out of it. And I just started it for that. And people loved it. And then I'm like, wow, लोग कितने delusion में हैं कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऐसा होता है. मेरे साथ हुआ है, मैं हूँ और मेरे कितने जानने वाले हैं. And it just happened like that. So ये थी ऐसी इसकी character development.
Wow. So you've now got a house here, have you?
I mean, rented a house here, yes.
You moved here and everything.
I mean, I used to live with my sibling,
yes.
but now I live by myself. So I really wanted that for a very long time.
How's your relationship with your parents and your family? Because I think they're such a contributing factor on how you have been brought up and your personality is so much of family.
Everything's possible because of them. It used to eat me up because I'm the eldest sibling. I'm 28-year-old living in a city like Bombay, which is so expensive. My father was taking care of everything and I just wanted to, like, get by myself, and every day was like, kuch karna hai. But then, I mean, I feel if you keep on doing something consistently over a period of time, you do see results. And my father only told me that, anything that you want to do, you need to give it at least 5 years to see some sort of positive result. You can't be switching lanes. And I was switching lanes a lot early in my career. So I listened to him. And because of them, we are here.
What about your mom?
I feel I have my mom's heart.
Really?
Yeah. Like, she's very emo.
I feel like boys take after their mom, and I think if she has managed to ingrain the empathy and emotion in you, that's...
All my life I've seen my mom getting, like having tough conversations with my mom is very scary for me. 3 a.m. in the night, we're like talking to my mom, and I'm like just talking about certain things. And then I say something very randomly, like, as if I'm talking to a friend, and then she gets, like, hurt, like, oh, ye kaise bol diya? And then she'll like go into the spiral of crying. I'm like, nahi, that is not what I meant. And then, I mean, I'll be like, shit, yaar, ye baat nahi karni chahiye thi. And I know, like, she gets like hurt very easily. And I understand why that happens, because there are a lot of dynamics that was there before. Like my mom and dad, they had like love marriage. So I think because of that also, a lot of thing is the way it is. Like I'm very passionate about love, and I feel so strongly about it. I feel it is the most strongest feeling in this world. I mean, nothing can top love.
That is true.
The amount that I can love is a lot, but I've never in my life had one person who has loved me back the same way. And I'm just looking for that.
मैंने सुना है कि आपको प्यार तो मिडिल ईस्ट से, पाकिस्तान से, सब जगह से मिल रहा है.
मिल तो रहा है. मेरी क्रश बैठी है दुबई में.
आपकी क्रश दुबई में?
दुनिया की क्रश है अभी तो वो.
ओहो, समझ गई मैं.
समझ गया ना?
समझ गई.
But yes, I mean, I think love's from everywhere. That is what love does. I mean, know about this. And just like
considering how much of a green flag you are, I won't be surprised if you have women sliding into your DM.
But I just feel that I mean, it's like I cannot fall in love someone who knows me from before, as in like from my online presence, because they come with a preset thing in their head about me.
They think they know you.
Yeah, but I would want them to come and discover me in person, and not really, because they'll be like, अरे इसने तो वो वीडियो में ऐसा किया था, अभी तो ऐसा नहीं कर रही है.
अरे.
So that might happen, Like you said, like, oh my god, you pulled the chair. This is exactly what you do in your videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would want to date someone who has no idea of my existence.
Over time, I've realized that मैं लोगों से expectations या preconceived notions नहीं form करती हूँ. I don't.
That is a good thing.
Yeah, like when I'm going to meet you in person, then I will get to know something which I probably won't know from whatever the internet says.
Fair enough.
तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि हमें जाके sunset देखना चाहिए.
Oh, I would love that. I'm a sunset.
Really?
I'm always up for it, yes.
But, okay, quick question. Sunrise versus sunset?
Sunsets.
Perfect. Chalo फिर.
Let's go.
चलें?
Okay.
पीछे देखें?
Wow. Oh, that is like so nice.
Customized for you.
I swear. Let's go.
Let's go. And even like when I see Zodiac, I see like Zodiac personalities.
Yes.
Because
I do believe in Zodiac personalities a little. What's your horoscope?
Take a wild guess.
I'm not that great at it. Like,
I'm a Scorpio.
damn.
So are you?
Yeah. But tell me something. How do you feel? I mean, because I often ask this question to myself. That like we all see our parents as superheroes growing up. And the older we grow, the more we realize that they're not superheroes, but they're just humans and they're as flawed as any other human being are. Okay, like this thing is what I'll not be with my kids. I'll just like clarify the superhero part, because when I say superhero, it's just
but
like,
you idealize them.
It's just like, you know that any problem is there, they'll solve it for you.
No, but I never saw my dad as that. Like for me, it was my mom.
Okay.
Because my dad was always of the mindset that, because I'm an only child. My dad was like, you're an only child. I want you to grow up being independent. So my father never really babied me like that.
I have always had this thing of like, And I think this is with most of the men out there of wanting or really wanting to have like a daughter. Like, I don't know why, but like, I would just love to have a girl child.
Yeah, and it's like cute. Like I get
the
it.
idea of like, you know, doing all the things that her mother would do, like, you know, braiding her hair and like, you know, taking her out on trips would be like, you know, this
Taking her out on
excites.
dates and setting standards.
Yeah, definitely doing that. Like, you know, giving her standards which are like, you know, very, which you would know कि इससे कम में settle नहीं करना है बिल्कुल भी. So I would like those things just like really excite me.
But okay, you don't watch movies. कभी movie date पे गए हो?
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, this is like my first date experience जहाँ पे मैं अच्छा ठीक है आज मैं date पे जा रहा हूँ. I was so conscious about what should I wear, how should I look, because you know when you plan and go on a date, no, it's like pressure. But so for me dates have always been like बाद में होता है कि अच्छा वो date था. And what I've seen in Bombay is dates have always been like, you know, you're going to a fancy restaurant, ordering fancy food, eating fancy things. But for me, dates are very low-key, yeah. Dates are just like living just another day. Like we're going to the beach.
मैंने अकेले I think 3-4 घंटे रात को बीच में वॉक किया है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I was so nice.
Like it's so magical that you know, 1 minute you are in the buzz of the city, running, and over here you just like go completely calm.
No, it's so nice. अब मेरा घर तो पास नहीं है.
Come, I'll drop you.
Okay,
Let's go.
चले.
चल.
अब मैं हाथ पकड़ लेती हूँ
Yes.
क्योंकि अब तो डेट हो गई. अब तो मैं लाइन मार सकती हूँ.